Let's walk. Yep, let's walk. Come on.
Down.
Bring him along. No, don't put him down. Bring him to Mommy if you don't want it.
Here. Hold
Thank you. No, I can't hold you right now, sweetheart.
I'll hold you.
We're going to walk, remember? Let's walk. Let's show Grandma and Grandpa and aunts and uncles the flowers that are out. Can you show Mommy where the flowers are? Show Mommy. Stella, show Mommy where the flowers are. Where are they?
Yes.
Where?
Here.
Are they here? Look.
Here. Off.
Crocus. You gonna take it off? Okay, you can pick one. Oops, not just the petals. Pick the whole flower, silly goose.
Hold.
Get the whole thing.
See.
Good job.
More.
Oh, okay, that's it. No more.
That's it.
No more. That's it. That's enough.
Dad?
Jackson, get out of the flower bed.
Down.
Stella, get up. Oh, you're gonna put it back?
Here.
Very nice.
Listen. The back. Two.
Mm-hmm.
Poopy. Saint.
Do you need Mommy to change your diaper?
Roll.
Are you gonna roll with Jackson? You silly goose. You silly goose.
Saint.
Do you need to change?
Okay.
Can you wait a couple minutes? Since we're walking outside.